I took shower today and then I just put like serum. Guys, I'm done with my hair and the makeup. Now I just have to put... I look so bad with hat, guys. Do I look bad with hat or... Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well and taking care of yourself. By the title only, you guys know this video is regarding what. So yes guys, today is my flight to Delhi, turn around Delhi and back. So I saw the comment, one of my subscriber, he or she, I don't know, they told me to make get ready with me video. And then yes guys, today is my flight, so I was like, why not to make get ready with me and show it to them. So I'm not gonna tell you which product I'm using. I'm just gonna get ready and then I will show you. मैं यूनिफॉर्म भी लगा के आप लोग को दिखाऊंगी, ठीक है? So stay tuned with me. I'm so sorry for the mess behind. So yes. I will not tell you which product I'm using because I already uploaded the video like which product I'm using these days, so you can go and check it out if you have not. I'm very bad with get ready with me because I don't know what to talk. Actually, it's hard for me to see the camera and do the makeup. That's the reason I'm checking the back camera as well. Guys, actually, you know what? In Instagram, for followers, they asked me like which app I use to edit my video because they really like it, it seems. So I think I will make video for that too. Concealer is done. Now I will go with the foundation. It's time for fixing powder. My skin is already dry, so I don't prefer to use powder, but you know, just a little bit under the eye. I already have my eyebrows, but you know, some part it's not there, so I just use a little bit to cover that part only. Yeah, that's it. So my eyebrows is done. Now I'm gonna go with the eyes makeup. I'll do my makeup and see you guys. So guys, I'm done with my eyeshadow. Now I have to put my eyeliner. For the eyeliner, it's very hard. I don't do over eyeshadows because it doesn't look good on me actually. Eyeliner is done. Guys, I really don't have any idea in my eyes what type of eyeliner it's good. My makeup is always short and sweet. Highlighter is on now. So I'm about to finish my face makeup. The last thing. So guys, my face makeup is almost over now. Only the mascara I have to put. So yeah. So yes guys, I'm done with my makeup. This is how it looks. I don't know. I have to do the lips, but the lips I'll do after I'm done with my hair. So let's do hair together. For the hair guys, I don't put any gel or like I took shower today and then I just put like serum. I don't put any gel because you know I used to put gel, but it bal girta. I still like, because of this water, hair fall is too much. So yes guys, I'm done with my hair and makeup. Now I just have to put my lip gloss. I'm gonna do that later once I'm done with the uniform. So I'm gonna show you my uniform. Guys, maybe the sound is coming from the back because it's because of AC. It's very hot guys, I cannot do without AC. So guys, actually we have trouser and skirt, but I feel comfortable with trousers, so that's the reason I always wear trouser. I don't like to wear skirt because you know you have to when you'll give service, when you'll do the service for the passengers, you have to bend down actually, and the skirt is not that comfortable to bend down and you know do your work, and also that's the reason I prefer to wear pants. If you can read, you can. If you cannot, leave it. Hi guys, I just put my lipstick. I don't want to put the very bright color because it's a night flight and I will land tomorrow morning, so that's the reason I'm just putting gloss. Here, my favorite perfume, Gucci Flora. Solid. Best. So now it's time for hat. I look so bad with hat guys. Do I look bad with hat or without hat? Comment down below. Last thing is watch. Perfect. So yes guys, I'm done with getting ready for the long flight. It's not long, but it's turnaround, that's the reason it's long for us. So yes guys, this is what I do whenever I go for a flight. If it's a day flight, then I just change my lipstick, that's it. Otherwise, if it's a night flight and a long flight, I always put this gloss because it's easy, you know. So yes guys, I don't know you like it or not. If you do, comment down below, and if you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. So I'll see you in next video. Bye bye.